This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. The unit I am on is physical computing, and I'm on the lesson arrays and for loops. All right, let's see. Make a prediction. Yes. Now keep in mind, I know this because I'm a teacher. When you write your answer and hit run, your answer is 1, submitted, 2, you can't change it. Who is it submitted to? It's submitted to your teacher. So make sure you think through this carefully. Also, plagiarism is unacceptable. Do not plagiarize. Yes, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to write something. You need to come up with your own answer. 1, you'll get caught. 2, it's never worth it. 3, it's unacceptable. So, read through the code for this program and predict what will happen each time the button is clicked. Okay, let's see what we got. We have variable 1 equals 0. So I have or variable I equals 0. So I have this new variable I am creating. The variable's name is going to be I, and I'm setting that equal to 0. On the event that the toggle button is clicked, I wonder what the toggle button is. Oh, that's it. You could tell by the ID. Yes, the Playground Express also has a toggle button. That's not what they're talking about. They're talking about this one, right? Because it doesn't say on board event. It says on event. That the toggle button is clicked, what's going to happen here? The color LEDs I, so the array, and remember we're referencing an array here, so the color LEDs is an array that is made into our system. I right now is 0, is going to toggle on, because they're off right now. So 0, or the first one, right, because the first element of an array is indexed at 0, so the first LED will toggle on. We then take our letter variable I and add 1 to it. Well, what was it before? It was equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is now 1. So now the new variable of I is 1. Now I click toggle again. What happens? Well, now toggle set I equal to 1, so color LED 1, so that would be the second LED, because the second item, the second element of an array is 1, that's the index it's at, because they start at 0, is going to be toggled on, and then we're going to add 1, and go back around. Alright, so my answer, each time the button is clicked, an LED will toggle on. It will go through the array of LEDs by adding 1 to I each time the button is clicked. And I could state that better and fix some grammar, but you get the basic idea. I'm going to hit run, and let's see. 1 LED, 2 LED, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it's going to hit an error, and that is because we are now at the number 10, and there's no 10th element of our array of LEDs, right? We start at 0, so since there's 10 LEDs, 0 to 4, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to 9 is all 10 of the LEDs. So when we get to 10, we hit an error. Cool, though. We got it. Let's keep going.